Hello kids, welcome back to our English class of Standard 1 and this is video 2 of chapter 10 Full Moon, the poem Full Moon. And in this video we will do the reading, recitation and explanation of the poem Full Moon. So what I told you now, you will watch the moon every day, every night go out with your parents and watch it, how the moon is increasing day by day and how it is decreasing day by day. Okay, and now we will do first of all we will do the reading and then we will do the recitation and explanation. Okay, so go and take out your book. Chapter 10 Full Moon. So first we will do the reading and after that I will do the recitation and explanation of this poem. Okay, now let us read. When the moon is round and bright, Mama says there's a full moon in the sky. As I lie in bed and watch its golden light, I know what I would like to ask the moon so high. What are you full of, Mr. Moon? It really makes you glimmer and shine so? Could it be jokes and riddles? Is it your happy laughter that makes you glow? Or do you sometimes eat lots of candy bars? Maybe that's why you grow so round and stout. Do you borrow light from the twinkling stars so you can be the brightest one about? Written by Santani Govindan. Now, let's do the recitation and explanation of the poem. Okay, start. Read this poem on a girl talking to the moon. But as I told you that in this poem there is a girl who is having many questions about the moon. So, now one by one we will know what are the questions. Okay. When the moon is round and bright, Mama says there's a full moon in the sky. As I lie in bed and watch its golden light, I know what I would like to ask the moon so high. So, in the first stanza, the day when the moon is round and bright, her mama comes. Now, who is her here? Yes, the girl. The girl's mama comes and says that it's a full moon. It's a full moon in the sky. Because the moon is round and it's shining brightly. Why it's a full moon? Because it is round. It is totally round in shape and it is shining brightly. The girl can also see when she lie down in her bed and she also sees the golden light. The golden light that comes, she can also see that from the moon. The golden lights that comes from the moon. Now children, do you know one more interesting fact about moon? From where does the moon get its light? Do you know? Yes, the moon gets its light from the sun. The moon is not having its own light. Gets the light from the sun. Okay. Now, come to the second stanza. What are you full of, Mr. Moon? It really makes you glimmer and shine so? Could it be jokes and riddles? Is it your happy laughter that makes you glow? Or do you sometimes eat lots of candy bars? Now here, again, there are questions in her mind that how you are so round and what makes you glimmer and shine so bright? How you are shining so brightly and how you became so round? Now, she is again having a question in her mind that it is your happy attitude that makes you glow? Because if you will be happy, naturally your face will glow, isn't it? And when you are sad, you are not glowing. So, she is thinking that it is your happy attitude that makes you glow, that you are shining so brightly. Or you are eating lots of candy bars that you became so fat. Now children, whenever you eat lots of chocolates, lots of candy bars or junk food, what your parents are always telling you? That don't eat them too much or else you will become fat and round. So this girl is also thinking that the moon must be having too much of candy bars, too much of chocolates. So he is so round and fat. Now come to the third stanza. Let's see if there is any more question in her mind. Maybe that's why you glow so round and stout. Do you borrow light from the twinkling stars, so you can be the brightest one about? Now again, first of all, she is sure that yes, this is the reason why you are so round and fat, because you are having lots of candy bars. Now again she is having a question that are you borrowing light from the twinkling stars? How you are so shining brightly? Are you borrowing light from the stars so that you can become the brightest among all the stars? So that you can be the brightest one about, means you can become the brightest one among all the stars. So children, these were few questions which the girl is asking. Okay, and I think that you must be having some questions, isn't it? So what you will do to have your answers? So watch the moon every day, and you will come to know how the moon is round and bright and how it is shining so brightly. Okay, my dear children. So today we have completed this poem, the recitation of this poem and explanation also. Now you will also read this poem accordingly. Okay.